Alright, let me walk you through managing hybrid workloads with Azure Arc. It's like we're embarking on a journey where we can seamlessly blend on-premises, multi-cloud, and even edge environments, all under one management canopy. Think of Azure Arc as a sort of a Swiss Army knife for IT environments, offering unparalleled flexibility by bringing Azure services to wherever they're needed, no matter if it's on-premises or across other clouds. Now, Azure Arc's magic isn't just the hardware it supports, it's also the sophisticated management capabilities, granting you governance, security, and operations in one touch. It's about setting the stage for your IT environment, making it robust, secure, and accessible. And in this conversation, we're breaking down each aspect, right from the strategic significance down to hands-on steps and best practices. Getting started is always the tricky part, though, right? Let's begin. First, understand why managing hybrid workloads is becoming increasingly crucial for businesses operating in a multi-tenant environment. Azure Arc ensures that we don't have to choose between Azure and our existing infrastructure. It ensures continuity and consistency, providing a unified view and control. We dive right into the architecture and configuration. Azure Arc operates at the infrastructure layer, acting as the bridge between Azure and non-Azure environments. It manages compute, container services, virtual machines, and even legacy apps, ensuring consistent operation without needing to bring everything back to Azure premises. That means businesses can optimize for performance, scalability, and cost at their sites and across clouds without worrying about complex configurations. Let's also touch on the operational benefits like ease of use, centralized control, and enhanced security. Azure Arc's management doesn't just stop with traditional infrastructure, it extends to containers, VMware, and even private clouds run on-premises or elsewhere. This provides granular control over individual resources, streamlined inventory management, and automated operations like security governance and software updates. This means our time is spent strategically, not on tedious tasks. With this picture in mind, let's navigate the troubleshooting terrain. Azure Arc helps identify issues swiftly, pinpointing and resolving bottlenecks, misconfigurations, or security issues to keep your hybrid workloads running smoothly. Moving on, it's important to understand best practices. Implement Azure Arc cautiously, especially during migration and integration phases. Test, and retest before deploying into production. Adopt a policy-driven approach for better compliance, regularly review permissions, and keep security at the forefront while setting up automated workloads. Okay, I think we've covered most of the basics. Now, let's dive deeper with examples. Take, for instance, we want to manage Docker containers on premises. Azure Arc will handle that effortlessly, monitoring and securing them while granting you the power to control from anywhere. Similarly, Azure Arc lets you manage on-premises Kubernetes clusters or virtual machines on Azure as seamlessly as VMware once managed on-premises. It makes all this possible by abstracting the complexities of diverse environments into a cohesive management experience. As IT pros, we're all about agility and cost efficiency, right? Azure Arc not only aids us here, but also provides automation, allowing us to respond faster to market demands or IT challenges without compromising our security and governance posture. Now suppose we want to extend our cloud to different providers, or even run hybrid workloads across clouds. Azure Arc enables that without the extra hassle of managing multiple clouds' native tools or APIs. We are talking about simplified, unified management, which brings to mind some real-world applications. Let's look at how financial institutions handle transaction processing across different cloud environments without sacrificing security or availability. Or consider a global social media company using Azure Arc to handle vast amounts of user-generated content across their hybrid infrastructure, ensuring uptime and performance consistency. Almost got the hang of it, didn't I? Next steps involve setting up your Azure Arc environment within Azure itself, integrating it with on-premises infrastructure, and gradually automating workloads. We also need to pay attention to the right scaling strategies, balancing capacity with cost while ensuring the workloads run smoothly across the environments. In conclusion, Azure Arc is a potent tool, one that offers a level of flexibility, operational efficiency, and control that is near impossible to achieve otherwise. By diving deep into this topic, we can ensure our hybrid environments are not just manageable but are poised to scale as per our continuous business needs. I hope our conversation has been enlightening. Manage your hybrid workloads effectively with Azure Arc. Remember to keep evolving and iterating on your strategies to stay ahead. To master this, explore more resources and hands-on practice, since Azure Arc is one of the most profitable areas in IT these days. Take action if you want to see real value. And hey, don't forget, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab to keep up with the latest tech insights and tutorials. Catch you at the next workshop.